Hi, my name is Maddie and welcome back to Maddie Makes, a channel where I make stuff. And this week I'm going to be showing you how to print a shirt, specifically this one.
Wow.
Yeah, I started printing shirts this summer. I learned how to lino cut, like make lino cuts, those like rubber stamps. I'll insert some photos here. In high school, really cool way to make prints, but I figured I could also make shirts out of them, which is really cool. Really excited to be making this. It's turned out really sick, really happy with it. Enjoy the ride.
I am the supermodel of hands.
Just traced out the size of the block onto the paper and now I'm drawing the fairy. I did have to go to an art website and I always remember the time from high school when I went to one of these websites and my sister was like, "Oh my god, you're looking at porn!" And I had to be like, no. I also made a small coal sprite stamp from Spirited Away. These ones.
Really happy for you. I'm gonna let you finish. But Beyonce had one of the best videos of all time.
Next I traced it onto the block and then got started with carving. I'm using this lino carving tool that has a pretty detailed head just for the detailed line work. Anything you carve away will remain white, so when you're carving you kind of have to have like a reverse mindset. Now I'm using something bigger just to do the background sections to make it go a little faster. Always carve away from yourself, by the way. Take a shot every time you catch me carving towards myself and almost cutting my finger. Okay, brief intermission. So sorry that I look like an alt indie boy. They say if you can't date them, become them. Anyways, I'm into sculpting this little bee. I really like it so far. I regret that I made her look so sad, but it should be a cute little shirt just to have her in the middle. Yeah, it's just taking me so freaking long to do all like the little details and stuff. I don't know. I'm excited though. This is like the third big like stamp I've made. The first one I made is this skull. Looks really sick. And then the second one I made was this moth. Them printed out, they look like this.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique.
And also this weekend I cleaned my room, and like over the week, on Saturday, I spent my whole Saturday cleaning. Because I had a literal depression pit for a room. It was like me surrounded by garbage trash piles.
Oh my gosh!
But anyways. So right here you see me carve directly towards my hand, which if it had slipped could have cut me very badly. Time to roll in the paint. I'm rolling on the paint with a paint roller, obviously, and then just applying it to the paper or the shirt and applying even pressure all over. But biggest mistake here is using acrylic paint. Absolutely do not do this. It turned out like absolute shite. See?
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Forgot to film me actually printing the fairy, but here I am printing one of my moth shirts using actual printing ink, and look at that! It turns out way better when you use something designed for the material. Nice! The shirts have to be heat set with an iron afterwards to make them washerproof, but other than that, this print turned out super crispy, so that's awesome. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I also printed this one for my friend Mika. Look at that detail. Ooh.